Do you often wake up with a sore jaw or headache? It might be due to teeth grinding. Teeth grinding, or bruxism, frequently occurs during sleep, often in response to stress, anxiety, or abnormal bite alignment. Continual grinding can lead to tooth damage, significantly impacting your oral and overall health. Using custom-fit night guards can protect your teeth and alleviate stress on your jaw. Incorporating stress reduction techniques and adjusting your bedtime routine can help reduce the frequency of grinding. Regular dental checkups are crucial for monitoring signs of wear and discussing further proactive strategies with your dentist. Remember, a small change in your routine can lead to a lifetime of healthy smiles.